Hi, Ray Berger, inventor of the Brew Bomb. Today let's do a quick video on how to calibrate your controller. You should only need to calibrate the controller one time, unless you change the measuring units from imperial to metric or metric to imperial. It's a quick and easy process, so let's learn how. The piece of equipment that you'll need is a measuring vessel. For the imperial system, use a vessel with at least 32 ounces of capacity, and for the metric system, 1,200 milliliters. Let's set the equipment up and get ready for calibration. Make sure that you turn the hand control valve off. Then, remove the water line from the nozzle stub and place in the retention clip on the left leg of the brewer. Next, let's go to the controller and set the controller up to be ready for calibration. Enter into the settings screen. Let's set the units to imperial. Press imperial. Notice that the controller notifies you that calibration is required since you have changed the measuring units. Enter into the calibration screen. The calibration screen starts with the amount of water that you're going to calibrate to. Enter into the field, press 32 ounces, and enter. You'll notice that the start button has started to flash. The controller is ready to start calibrating. Place the water line from the nozzle stub into your catching vessel. Press start, open the hand control valve, and mimic a flow rate that's very similar to what you will use when you're brewing. We will dispense 32 ounces into the catch vessel. Notice that our vessel is almost full. When the vessel is full to 32 ounces, we will press the Calibrate button on the controller. This sets the controller to the number of pulses that equals 32 ounces. Once this is finished, your calibration is complete. I hope this video has helped you understand on how you can calibrate the controller. It's an easy process and does lead to an accurate measurement of what you're brewing.